Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Near Protocol. The price line of Near Protocol has broken out a down channel after a long time period. It was moving in this down channel since 25th of October, and finally it is out of the resistance of this down channel. And in today's video, I want to discuss the next targets with you. But before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you my previous analysis that I shared for my members at the Patreon on 3rd of December, and the price line broke out the resistance of this falling wedge, and I told them that the price line is testing the previous resistance of this falling wedge as a support, and we can set our stop loss below this support, because here we have a very strong support at $8, and our next target can be 10.3 $10.30, and the final target can be here at this resistance, that is $12.50. Now after playing the chart, we can see that the price line move to the downside and even move below this support of $8. But finally, after testing this the support of this falling wedge, it is moved up and rallied up to $11.86, and now it is moving above this target, which I have defined as per the resistance. That here we had a very strong resistance at $10.30, and right now the price line is moving above this resistance. You can see that previously it has been breaking as a resistance, and now it is breaking as a support. Now if we move to the live daily time frame chart, then right now you can see that the price line is moving above this resistance of $10.30 that I told you that is our very strong support. Previously you can see it was breaking as a support here, and it was breaking as a resistance here, and you can see here it has been breaking as a strong resistance as well. Right now the price line is very close to move down and test this previous resistance as a support, that was $10.30. And if the price line will be able to successful test this previous resistance as a support and move up from here, then here we will have a very strong resistance that will be approximately here at $12.60, and after breaking it out, it can start a very big and massive rally. Now at the same time, we can also observe that the price line is also behaving like an inverse head and shoulder pattern. So once we will have a reversal from here, then our next target can be according to the head and shoulder pattern. This will be our neckline that can be approximately here at $11.80 or $12, and after breaking it out, our next imminent target as per this head and shoulder will be approximately here, that will be $17.20. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.